Well, let's see. Here we go.
Oh, I should not have been against it. You didn't say it.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's working.
Yeah, this one's the one that works I filmed last year.
Alrighty. Let's go down. Go down to one. We'll look out the window.
Yeah. This one's really cool.
Yeah, you get a nice view of Union Station right across the street.
Yep.
It's quite a ways down, to be honest.
Yeah, it's quite a ways down. Sick chime.
Yeah, well, hey, at least they replaced the lights.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
But the chime boxes definitely seen better days, that's for sure.
Yeah, it does see better days.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
There's your cab view. Definitely a more dingy elevator, that's for sure. Alrighty.
Wow.
Alrighty.
I'll watch it go down.
Oh. Alrighty.
Tell me what to go. Who wants to go?
Yeah. Alright, let's go around and we'll see it go down. There it goes.
Last one, it didn't go down.
There's a wet floor sign.
Wow.
There's your car top station.
Yeah, look at that.
There's your door operator.
Yep.
Alrighty.
All right.
And that's it.